Source: Joe Bellinger. Singapore-based COSS cryptocurrency exchange has announced that it will deny its customers from accessing to around $2 million worth of funds for the following 3 to 4 weeks while its site undergoes maintenance. On Tuesday, COSS told users there was no call for panic, but admits it had been planning its move for months. Speaking to media outlet Decrypt, an anonymous COSS employee stated that the company had decided not to disclose the news to its customers in advance to prevent a Massachusetts exodus of funds. The same employee admitted that the exchange was a mess, and said that a cleanup was necessary. Per a company blog post, COSS stated, "There is no need to panic. Please do not believe in rumors of FUD spread by false messages and groups across any channel." The exchange added that it was unlikely to respond to customer inquiries in a timely manner, admitting that it was expecting a huge volume of queries, meaning that responses might take up to 5 to 7 days. COSS states that its revamped platform will feature low latency for automated trading, a high-speed order matching engine, advanced APIs, a built-in liquidity solution, iOS, and Android apps and margin trading services. Watch the latest reports by Block TV. A number of users and commentators took to Reddit to voice their concerns in the wake of the sudden lockdown. One wrote, "I am surprised COSS lasted this long. It didn't even look trustworthy in 2017 and evidence that something was wrong has been accumulating since then." Another user wrote that the whole thing is just highly unprofessional. The same contributor added, "I've tried COSS in 2017 and it was probably the worst exchange around at that point. Even exchanges run by enthusiasts from their home like Nanox had a better interface and engine. Since then You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.